Elevation, New Wealth Nation. Welcome to another video, man, showing you how to use ChatGPT Pro even if you're a beginner. Alright, now my name is Wilder Brown Jr. I'm a 6-year Navy veteran. I'm a content creator, I'm a digital marketing consultant, I'm an AI strategist. I do a lot of things. I'm a veteran in a lot of different fields, and I just want to help everybody, and I mean everybody, learn the power and learn the easiest ways how to understand ChatGPT and like how to use it and like how you can apply it in any way and get started today. All right, now do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff all these other YouTubers and content creators tell you about, and we go just jump right into the tutorial. All right, so what you want to do is, let's get it. We want to log into openai.com. So that's chat.openai.com. We finna have some fun tonight. We finna have some fun. This is one of the most powerful like things I've ever seen in my life, right? Like I'm not gonna lie. ChatGPT got everybody scared. They got Google scared. They got Canva doing new AI. They got all kinds of stuff going on with ChatGPT. So in this tutorial, man, we're gonna go over the basics and just some of like some advanced, little secrets, I've learned along the way. So let me just log in right here. And like I said, if you guys are new to this, you literally got to do just all the steps that I showed you. You guys don't have a Gmail, make a Gmail. Thank you, ChatGPT. But yeah, so right now ChatGPT is free. So you want to log in and go here, right? So I want you guys to think, right? What if you had your own personal Jarvis from Iron Man, right? What if you had your own personal assistant that can like teach you how to do almost anything in the world, right? I want you to think about ChatGPT from that perspective, right? Think of like Siri on steroids, right? Siri and Alexa, they alright, but ChatGPT is on a whole nother level. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get started, right? Let's ask ChatGPT, explain the Federal Reserve to a 5-year-old, right? And y'all know we gotta stay on the topic of wealth because this is new AI and wealth with WBJ, so we gotta stay on that topic of wealth. So look, so you see right here, ChatGPT is giving me a full explanation of the Federal Reserve, right? So for my beginners, right, you can literally continue to pile up on what you ask ChatGPT in the same thread, right? So like, and you see on the side right here, it's like giving you like the topic or whatever, but you can literally ask ChatGPT to explain more. So explain, we're gonna type explain more. This is one of the most, when I first did this, I was like, oh my God. I was like, you can do this? So you see, easily it's explaining me more, right? And this is wild. This is crazy, right? And like I said, I know a lot of people, I know you feel like you're hearing all about AI, right? But I wanna let you know, right? A lot of people feel like they're getting left behind. I mean, some of y'all is, but we are still in the early stages of ChatGPT, right? So like, don't feel like you're left behind. I'm literally here to help you like understand this and use it and apply it to whatever field you're in and help you become more efficient, right? So we literally just asked ChatGPT to explain the Federal Reserve to a 5-year-old, right? I told it to explain more, right? So now let's take it up a little notch. I know this is a beginner tutorial, but we go take it up a notch, right? So I'm gonna tell ChatGPT, right? I can't even spell today. What the hell is going on? Write me an essay about this information. Actually, we're finna turn up a thou wow. Hold up, we finna turn up a thou wow. Write me an college essay about this information. Here's an essay. Oh my God. Oh my God. They give me a college essay. Yeah, I'm not even in college no more. Look at this. Woo! They give me a whole college essay. Yeah. Look, I'm gonna say this right now. If you're in school and you got homework, or if you in any kind of job where you gotta write some stuff, use this right now. Like, stop playing and use this right now, because this is insane. This is crazy, man. This is giving me a whole dang college essay, and like you can tell it to easily continue. Look at this. is a game changer. Like when I seen this, I'm like, oh my God, my mind was blown. Once I seen the power of ChatGPT and just the stuff that you could do with this stuff, man. And like I said, you don't have to like use the example that I use. I'm just showing you guys like just the power and just what you can do with this, right? Now, what I like to do with ChatGPT is sometimes, and I can't say how much it happens, how many times it happens, but it does have the tendency to shoot out misinformation, right? So what I like to do is I like to ask ChatGPT based on like some of the prompts that I give. I like to ask it, what assumptions, and it's some advanced game I'm giving y'all right now, are made here. I'm questioning ChatGPT, that's right. Look at this. It's even telling me that there are some assumptions made. So you always want to fact check ChatGPT, right? So right now, ChatGPT, it only has the information, I think, based on 2021. I think it's 2021, but you guys do your own research and double check that. But you always want to ask ChatGPT questions like, is this information legit, right? Because like we're in the early stages of these language models, and it's just pulling different information based that it has on its database, right? It's not connected to the internet, but there's some groundbreaking news that just came out today, and this is exclusive for y'all, right? So ChatGPT apparently is about to have plugins that allows it to access the internet, and this is like some groundbreaking, like breaking news, breaking freaking news. ChatGPT is about to be able to connect to the internet, so you know, you might not even have to do all this stuff that I just showed you, right? So I'm gonna show y'all some more crazy stuff you can do with this like technology, because I'm just trying to give y'all the game. I'm giving y'all the game right now. I'm gonna say, write me a children's, let's see what it do. Book based this information, and we finna get freaky with it. Hold up, we finna get freaky with it. Include Marvel characters and references to pop culture. See, you wanna like get ChatGPT to like do some crazy stuff, man. You want it to go insane. So we finna see what it's gonna do. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. The Mighty Avengers and the Federals. Hold up, man. Y'all playing. I'm giving y'all a tutorial, but I'm learning this stuff my damn self. Hold up, man. I gotta take some stuff down. Hold up. This is insane. Do y'all see this? This is literally writing me a whole book. Look at this. Like, this is crazy. This is insane. I'm gonna have to take down this video, man. I'm giving y'all the game right now. I'm showing y'all the advanced secrets, man. This is wild. This man is, oh my God. Oh my God. This gave me a whole book based on, oh my God. Yeah, I might have to package this and like really make something out of it. But hopefully this explains ChatGPT and just, you know, the simple things you can do with this. Like, I haven't even got really advanced yet. I don't have the time to like go super crazy. We went a little crazy in this video, but what I have done for you guys is I have created a course. Yes, I've created a course because I'm trying to give y'all the full game, you know what I'm saying? I have created a course showing you how you can leverage ChatGPT and multiple, you know, AI programs to create you a digital asset that you only gotta take the time to set up one time, and it can just feed you for the rest of your life. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm gonna give you guys a discount code, link in the description, the Bot Billionaire Academy. I'm uploading videos based on what you guys wanna know, right? Whatever you guys wanna know, I wanna teach it inside the Bot Billionaire Academy and really just give y'all the game, and I want you guys to take advantage of like all this AI stuff that's going on, right? There are new AI developments every day, and I'm building the #1 community of learners and earners that all want to just do wonderful things with AI. We not scared of AI. We not thinking the Terminator is about to show up. Like, no, we're taking AI for what it is and we're leveraging it and we're doing crazy things with it. So if you guys want to join our Discord community, link is in the description. And if you guys want to get the course that's gonna blow your freaking mind, make sure you guys hit the link in the description as well. The Bob Billionaire Academy, AI Assets and Gems Masterclass, man. We going insane with it. I want to show you guys how you can use ChatGPT combined with other like technologies to really just step your AI game up. You gonna come out of this course and like you gonna want to share this knowledge with a friend, but I want you to get paid to share this knowledge. You see what I'm saying? Because this is some game. This is some game, and this has been an insane tutorial so far. Like I said, I might have to repackage this information in this little book we created, but appreciate y'all for tuning into this ChatGPT tutorial. Let me know down in the comments what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Like I said, I'm in the AI space every day just learning and just I'm getting my mind blown every single day with all this AI stuff. So if you guys want to connect with me, make sure you guys join the Discord, link in the description. And like I said, if you guys want the fast track, the head start, make sure you guys take that course. And like I said, I'm uploading new videos in there based on what you guys want. So this has been another tutorial on the channel. Let me guys know what you want next. And until next time, man, let's elevate, stay positive, and let's keep going, man. Let's get it. Catch you guys on the next tutorial. Peace.